When planting a vegetable garden, whether it's spring or autumn, you may have heard the term companion planting. Well, companion planting is the combination of vegetables, herbs and flowers all within the one patch. Well, there's two main benefits that can be derived in a nutshell. The first one is to deter problematic pests, and the second one is to improve pollination within your crop, particularly your vegetables. Herbs and flowers that have a strong aromatic nature tend to be the best deterrents. So flowering plants like marigolds and lavenders and herbs like chives and basil seem to go really well in combination with vegetables at deterring pests and improving pollination counts. When it comes to companion planting, I'm going to show you probably one of the most popular combinations for keeping problematic pests at bay and improving pollination. So we're going to use a tomato plant, we're going to use some sweet basil, and we're going to use some common marigolds. So we'll drop our tomato into the back of the patch to begin with. Right there. So then we'll use our basil a short distance from the tomato plant, like such. We will then use the marigold at the front and another one in between the tomato and the basil. So there you have it, companion planting with tomato, sweet basil and marigolds. Now, like all plantings, make sure that your plant spacing is as per the label on the seedlings. So just check your plant spacing before putting them down. But if you want to know more about companion planting, I'd suggest you contact your local garden centre and they may have some tips and insights that could help you along your way. Until next time, bye for now.